Okay, everyone. Quick lesson from Gun Titan. If you're building a PC, go with your gut. I had a friend that told me when I was building my PC that 8 gigabytes of memory would be just fine. I am running XSplit. I am running World of Warcraft. And I'm running my browser and a couple other things like playing back movies. And I'm using 7.5 gigabytes out of 15.9. Okay? So my gut was to future-proof my machine and putting 16 gigs. I eventually bought 16 gigs. But if I was using 8, I would still be able to run my computer, but it would be kind of slow sometimes. So go with your gut, future-proof your PC, and buy 16 gigs of RAM. Also, he told me to get 120 gigabytes of solid-state drives so that I could boot my PC. I ended up running out of space. I had a few games installed on there and the operating system, and it ran out of space. And I actually had to move my games, like my World of Warcraft file, over to my 1 terabyte hard drive. So if you wanted to put your OS and put your programs on your solid state drive, I recommend getting 250 gigabytes or bigger, because 120 is too small. See, again, go with your gut feeling. Don't listen to your friend. Even though they might be able to build a PC, they and they're trying to help you get a budget PC, it still might not be sufficient. You're better off paying just a little bit extra to get things done. Okay? A quick lesson. 68 gigabytes of RAM is good for you. 8 gigs, depending on what you're doing, if you're just doing word processing and not playing games, you can go less. But 16 gigs is cherry, and it will help you save money in the long run by not having to replace your PC sooner. Anyway, that's it. That's my little screen. I figured out how to do that. Show a little quick shot of my task manager, what I'm running at, and I'm just running everything, and it's working fine. That should be a good lesson for y'all. 16 gigs and a 250 solid state drive.